Welcome to this Quill training video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to record time entries from within the time recording area of the system, record time entries directly to your case from within the case actions, record time entries utilising a stopwatch, record non-chargeable time, view and edit your time entries, confirm and send your time to the ledger, view the time entries on your matter, and produce a billing guide. In our first example, we are going to record time from within the time recording area of the system. By selecting this option, you will be able to post multiple time entries to multiple matters. Select time from the navy blue toolbar. Select the fee earner you are recording time for by clicking on the drop-down list and selecting the relevant person. The date field will default to today's date. You can backdate time by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting a date, or simply clicking into the field and overwriting the date. You can type your matter reference in the matter field, or alternatively you can search for the matter by clicking on the three dots next to the matter box and using the filters to select how you would like to search for your matter. In this example, I'm going to search using my client's name. Click to select the correct matter. The rate will default to the rate that has been set when you created your matter. By clicking on the drop-down box, you can select a different rate should you need to. Select the relevant attendance code. Simply click on the drop-down and click to select. Type in the number of units, usually 6-minute units. 5 units would be equal to half an hour, and 10 units would be equal to an hour. If you would like to add multiple attendances for this same date and matter, then simply click on the plus symbol and continue to add as many entries as you require. To remove an additional attendance, simply click the minus. To add a subject and notes, enter this in the subject box along with any additional notes or attendance notes in the notes section. You can also tick the upload attendance note box, which will save the note into the docs hub section. Once you are happy with the attendance, click on submit. This will send the time entry to the bottom of your screen, which creates your timesheet of all the time you have recorded. Repeat the same process by selecting the date, matter, rate and attendance, and so on. There is a useful tool towards the right-hand corner of your screen named Options. By clicking on this, you can choose to keep certain aspects of your time entries, such as the date or the matter. So once you had selected the date and you had several entries to record under that date, it would be beneficial to select Keep Date. Otherwise, it will keep defaulting back to the current date. In our next example, we are going to record time by first selecting our case, and then within the case actions area on the left-hand side, we can select record time. By selecting this option, you will only be able to post time entries to the matter that you are currently attached to. As you will see, the posting screen is very similar to the posting screen within the time area of the system, but you will notice that there is no option to enter a matter reference. Complete as necessary and click submit. In our next example, we are going to record time utilising the stopwatch. Select the stopwatch button or icon. Add a description of the time entry and then click Start. This will start the stopwatch running. If you selected Start again, this will automatically pause your current stopwatch and begin a new watch. You can easily navigate from one watch to another by clicking on Stop Start or Resume. You have the option to delete by clicking on the bin on the right hand side. You can select a case by clicking on the case option and select from the list of recent cases. Once you are happy with the time entry, click on the record icon and select to record as chargeable or non-chargeable time. Here you can select the relevant fee earner, amend the date, select the required rate, select the attendance code and add to the subject and notes. The units have been calculated for you via the stopwatch. However, if you need to, you can amend this. Click on Submit and this will send the time entry to your timesheet and return you back to the stopwatches. You can see your current pending timesheet by clicking on Record Time and scrolling down to the bottom of the screen. If you would like to post any non-chargeable time, you can do this from within the posting screen. Simply click the non-chargeable time tab. As before, select the required date by clicking on the calendar. Type in the number of minutes you would like to record. Select the relevant attendance code from the drop-down list. Type in the required subject. And once you have completed all the relevant fields, click Submit. Before you have completed the Send to Ledger process, you have the ability to edit your time entries. Select Time from the navy blue toolbar and by scrolling down you will see a list of all your time recording entries that have not yet been sent to the ledger. On each line there is a drop-down button under the column headed Options. Here you can select whether you would like to edit that time entry or add a new time entry to that same matter or print the attendance note. There is also a tick box on each line which allows you to select the entries you need to delete. Simply tick the items you want to delete and then click on Delete Selected. The system will ask you if you are sure you want to delete the time entry. If you are happy to delete, click OK. If there are any items highlighted in purple, this means that all the required fields have not been completed and these entries will need to be edited and completed or deleted. From this screen, the system will show you the total time pending, and this is to show you how much time you have recorded so far. Once you are confident that all the time has been recorded and you would like to complete your posting, select Time from the navy blue bar, and on the black toolbar on the left-hand side, you will see the option Send to Ledger. Here you can update all your time or select only certain matters or specific dates by using the options available. Now click on Submit at the bottom of your screen and then select OK. You will now see that a number of entries have been submitted. These time entries will now appear on each matter as work in progress. Once you have selected your case, from within the case actions, click on Summary and scroll down to the Matter Details section. You can see your WIP balance here. Alternatively, you can select Ledgers from the black toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen, and then click on Time at the top of the screen on the white sub-toolbar. This will display all time recorded to that matter. Once you have selected your case, within the Case Actions, click on Summary and scroll down to the Ledger Balances section. Now click on the Billing Guide hyperlink. Customize this report should you need to. Then select to view or convert into Excel or print and save. In this example, we are going to view the report to screen. The report will return a list of all time entries which have not yet been billed and will provide a summary of time recorded and time already billed here. Alternatively, you can select Ledgers from the black toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen and then click on Time at the top of the screen on the white sub-toolbar. On the right-hand side, you will see the same Billing Guide hyperlink. Customize this report should you need to, then select to view or convert into Excel or print and save.